Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I just wanted to show you something funny. I picked up this 2-pack of Klassen 40mm laminated padlocks. This one's still in the picked open position apparently. Here we go. Okay. But yeah, I grabbed these both yesterday, brand new in the package. $2.89. What? I thought that was an awesome price just to be able to get a new pick. And these ones actually have a funny little bypass. Check this out. Long reach there, and just like that. Ka-chow! Slade number 1. And you know they're both just as lame as the last one. We'll do that again, as Mr. LPL says, so you can see that it is not a motherfucking fluke. There you have it, guys. 2 shitty locks opened by yours truly. Ka-chow! Slade! Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Till next time, you know I'll be catching you later. Bye for now.